the sound of my voice. Close your eyes and relax. Slow down and deep in your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep a steady rhythm of relaxed deep breaths. With each breath, you relax a little more. Focus on your breath. Feel it. Feel your belly, and then as you exhale, any physical, mental, and emotional tension get released with it. All that matters is this moment. This is your moment. You're now, right now. Breathing out tension and relaxing deeper and deeper. As you breathe in, relaxation shower in your head. As you exhale, all the tightness from your head and neck disappear. The tension now releases from your shoulder and arms. You feel them relax. It comes down your spine, embraces your back, stomach, and hips. They all relaxed. This releases now, removing tightness from your thigh and calves. Now even your feet and toes are relaxed. You are embraced in ultimate peace. You feel as light as a feather. Your body feels free. You are free. Your awareness has become sharper. You sense things more clear. Your energy is more vibrant. It feels bigger than normal. deeper and deeper. Calm overcomes you. You are relaxed. You are at peace. The next breath in, feels your heart. Your heart radiates with loving energy. Your entire being emanates this love. The breath you breathe is now love. Deeper and deeper. Love shines from you. You are love. You realized that you are not defined by your body. You can hear your heart's whisper. Listen now. You are becoming one. You are a glow with white lights. A living, breathing representation of love. You recognize what you need to do now. You understand fully. You respect your true self. You express your true self. You see the good in others. You are not afraid of being who you truly are. You are one. You are. I am going to become quiet now for few moments to allow you to experience this beautiful state of being. It's time to come back now. Focus on how your hands feel on your legs and shift your attention to how your feet feels against the floor. Take a deep breath and open your eyes. Smile